and another red candle to support that. So now guys, as you can see, man, we're just going down all the way from here, and just look at all this money that you would have won if you took this down position, just because you drew out a couple of trend lines based off of the previous candlestick touching. What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to trade Forex the most simplest way that you could think of. I'm here to go over the best strategies with you in the most easiest way possible. Guys, it's a lot of different factors when it comes down to trading. It's a lot of different strategies. It's a lot of different indicators. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the main factors that you're going to need to be a successful trader. I'm also going to be showing you guys when the best time to trade is, what are the 3 most important indicators you're going to want to use, and some simple backtesting strategies and support and resistance that you're going to need to know to be successful. So don't skip anything in this video. Everything I'm about to tell you, you're going to want to remember. So go ahead, take out your notepad, man. Write these notes down. And if you haven't done so already, please, man, get a trading notebook. Have your trading notes and go over your notes and your trading plan each day before you trade. This notebook and this trading plan will definitely help you, and you will definitely see a difference in your win percentage if you stick to your plan. So get that notebook out, man. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Alright guys, so as you can see, we got TradingView pulled up, and if you don't know what TradingView is, it's just a platform that allows you to scalp all of the charts, guys. You can scalp indices, Forex, cryptocurrencies, and even metals, guys. And over here we got gold pulled up on the charts, which is, you know, what most of these successful traders are trading. Most of these rich traders only trade gold. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade gold. And I know it just sounds so good to trade gold. Like, you know, people ask you how you make your money, and you just be like, I trade gold. You know what I'm saying? Like, gold, you trade gold. Like, I know I got to talk, but you trade gold. Like, yeah, bro, I just trade gold, but not gold. I just trade the currency. So, I mean, not the currency, but the currency. So this is gold, guys. As you can see, we got some lines pulled up, and I'm going to show you what all these lines mean and pretty much how to read this chart. So what you're seeing right now is you're seeing a bunch of candlesticks, and you're seeing a bunch of lines, and you're seeing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But what you want to do, guys, the first thing you want to do is go to this indicators tab right here. You want to type in sessions, and once you type in sessions, you can go to this sessions Lux Algo or Algo. You know, bump the free trial, take that off, and right here, guys, you can see it pulls up the sessions. You know, so you have the London session, the Tokyo session, New York session, and these different sessions will determine like how this chart moves, guys. So pretty much these sessions are very, very important because you want to know what the sessions have done in the previous days. So if you don't have this on here and you think you know your sessions based off of the time frame at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, you know, in this London session right here on Wednesday at 12:45, but then you're looking over here at this London session on Friday, and you don't know it's London session, it could be the Tokyo session. So this just gives it a much more clearer view. But you know, you could just have back tested what these sessions are doing. So like you see, this London session shot up, this London session shot down, this London session just supported and resisted, this London session shot up. So pretty much that's one, you know, concurrence that you can use to place your trades. And one important thing about placing these trades, guys, is you want to predict the future based off of the past. And you could do this by, you know, doing technical analysis, what I'm about to show you here, or you could do this by watching the news or listening to the news or just reading the news on whatever currency you're trying to trade. So if you was trying to trade Tesla or Apple or Netflix, as you can see up here, you can click on those, and you'll see the news about it right here. So as I click on gold, you know, Wall Street stocks and near flat after Tuesday sell-off. So Wall Street stocks is near flat after Tuesday sell-off. What does that mean? What could people possibly do after they read that? They might sell, guys. They might sell even more because the market might go down even more. So the market is going to go down even more bearish after they read that news. And after that news gets posted, you're going to see some big sell positions, such as this one right here on this New York time zone right here, guys. And what I'm on the 15-minute candles. I like using 15-minute candles. You can't use 5 minutes, you can't use 30 minutes, and this all depends on, you know, how long you're trying to place a trade. So if you're only trying to get in a trade for like an hour at a time, guys, if you're a day trader, then I would suggest looking at the 5-minute chart. But if you're trying to get in the trades for the full day and trade at the morning and get out of the trade around 5 o'clock. Then look at the 15-minute chart or even the 30-minute chart. And one thing when you're scalping these charts, guys, is you want to, go up in the chart size. So you want to go to the 45-minute chart first. Boom, see what it's doing on the 45-minute. Then you would want to go to the 30-minute, make sure that loads. Then boom, see what it's doing on the 30-minute. See how these candlesticks are moving. And once you like the setup of what it's doing, guys, then you can go to that 15-minute or that 5-minute chart. So let me show you how I got the best breakthrough and how I found the best setup on this gold chart. Before I get too much more into the video, man, don't forget to go ahead and check out the links in the descriptions. You can schedule a coaching call with me, a one-on-one for only $10, and get a one-on-one consultation. I'll help you out with the best trading strategies. I'll even help you build your credit fast. I'll even help you start your online business, and I can help you start a trucking business because I do have a lot of trucking videos in the channel. Don't forget to check out the Lotta ebook store where you can get exclusive ebooks, guys, for the easy step-by-step tutorials. And don't forget to check out YouTube memberships. No ads, no promo, no fluff, all exclusive investing content for a very, very cheap price. Check out the links in the description. Back to the video. Woo! All right, so I was over here, guys. I'm drawing my trend line. So pretty much what all these lines are is just touches. So we have candlestick touches. So you can see right here that on this top line, we have some touches right here on these candlesticks. So you can see that we have a couple of touches, and not just the wicks, guys. We're talking about where the candlestick closed. So if you don't know, this is right here is a long wick, but the candlestick actually closed all the way down here. So over here to start this line on these touches, the wick is up here. That's where the market went, but it didn't close right there. So we're gonna draw our trend line right here, and also we have another touch on this green candle and on this green candle right here. So we draw a trend line. As you can see, we have another one. It doesn't necessarily close or touch right here, but we do have two green candles right here, and then you see some more red candles right here that kind of closed and opened right near that line. So we drew a line right there, guys, and then below it, as I see, touches. We got touches right here. You got wicks that touched, but it didn't close inside of it. But over here, we got some more touches, and we just got more touches on this support and resistance right here in this Tokyo session and this Sydney session. And just look at all these touches along this line of how many times the green and the red candles touch this line. Same thing over here, man. And yeah, so I did highlight this line green because this is the high of where this market was gonna go, and I will show you, what it did in the future and all that. But this is where I was looking at when I was trading gold. So this is the high, guys, of where the market could have went, because as you can see, we're still, not touching it. We're not touching it. And let me just, before I go over there, just look at this, right? So it has a touch right here, but this is a lot of support and resistance. We have a lot of touches over here in this session on Wednesday, guys. So a lot of touches on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It didn't get to that green line. So that means, 3 days straight, it couldn't pass that green line. That means we just might be going on a downtrend, guys. We're trying to go down. And then I got another line right here on some more touches. And then boom, I placed a red line based off of, the last 2 days of where touches were touching. So I pretty much have a green line, my baseline of what this chart could have done, because as you can see, we're coming into this circle right here, and this is where I placed the trade at this circle. So as you can see, what I was seeing in the last previous 2 days, I was seeing that, we touched right here. The green line still hasn't touched, so we're going to be going down up under that green line. If it gets back to this baseline, this middle line right here, it could touch, try to get to that green line and come back down, or it could go all the way out, but it didn't. We hit that blue line right here, this middle line, and we went down. So then I have a red line because on these last 2 days we have some touches right here, some touches right here, and some touches right here on this W, this nice looking W, guys. And if you see my videos in the past on trading binary options, I did go over W's and M's, guys. So a W most likely means that the chart is gonna go up in a W direction, and then once it finishes that W, it's gonna skyrocket up. And then same thing on the M, guys. It's gonna make an M pattern, and once it finishes that M, it's gonna skyrocket down. But things don't always go as planned on these stocks, guys, on these currencies, on these Forex. And as you can see, the charts are gonna do whatever it wants to do. The market is gonna do whatever it wants to do, depending on how many people are buying and how many people are selling. So sometimes it's not always going to go back to the previous history, guys. So as you can see right here, we have this W. Now we could have went up, but just because we didn't touch this blue line right here, guys, we never touched this blue line, so that indicates to me that we are gonna go down, because now I see that these candles, freak, oh okay, there we go, zoomed in. I thought I just back tested, thought I exited out the website, but as you can see, we got these red candles right here on this circle. Boom, we have a big red candle right here. When you see a big red candle or a big green candle, that means some of these big players, some of these rich Forex traders, you know, they probably just dropped 50 bands, 100 bands on a down position, on a short position, and now a lot of the other traders are gonna follow that. Somebody else might sell a lot of their positions because they seen that somebody sells a lot of their positions, because why would somebody sell a lot of positions if something's not about to happen? So it's more likely gonna follow if there is a big candlestick, guys. So what I seen right here was the candlestick closed outside of this red line, indicating that we're going down, and that's all she wrote from there, guys. That's all you need to know from there. So this line doesn't even matter at this point, because right here we have a W. It didn't get to this trend line right here, then it goes past my bottom trend line, indicating that we're going down. We have a big red candle and another red candle to support that. So now, guys, as you can see, man, we're just going down all the way from here, and just look at all this money that you would have won if you took this down position, just because you drew out a couple of trend lines based off of the previous candlestick touches, and you just seen a big red candle. And now look at this return that you would have made, guys. So one thing about a lot of these YouTube videos that I don't like is that people don't explain how much money they put down on the trade to win how much money they won. So I'm gonna show you that right here. You just gotta press this button right here, man. And actually, let me just make sure it's on the right thing. So we're gonna go short position. We're gonna start it right here at my point. So right here, guys, we're trading as this circle, and I probably would have put my stop loss right above these candlestick touches right here. So right above these candlestick touches right here is my stop loss, and then we're going all the way down with it. So if you hit the settings button up here on this thing, you'll see I put $100 in and press OK, and then the amount I would have won was $325. And guys, this has happened over 3 days, a course of 3 days, so pretty much $100 a day. And yeah, by doing absolutely nothing, that's the beauty about Forex. You don't have to do anything. You can make $100 a day. But this was over, of course, of 3 days, guys, and I would have made $300 off of this trade. And if I would have put, you know, $1,000, guys, it's pretty much a 3-to-1 return. So if I would have put $1,000, I would have won $3,000. And then, you know, as you can see, if I would have put $10,000, I would have won $35,000, guys, or $32,000. So this is how a lot of Forex traders get rich. You have to start off with a small account first and then build your way up. So your first trade, boom, you won $300. Boom, I won $300. Now I'll put, you know, let's say we put $200 on the next trade. Then boom, we won $600 on the next trade. Now we have a $600 account. Let's say we just go all out, put $600 down on the next trade. We win that. Now we have $1,800 if we're getting 3-to-1 returns, guys. $1,800. And just do the math. You put $1,800 down. Now, boom, you could possibly make $3,000, $4,000 off of that trade. Boom, put the $4,000 down and win. Now you can make $10,000. But guys, trading doesn't always go like that. Trading is hard. It's not guaranteed that you will win 100% of the time, even 50% of the time. That's why we have to risk manage. And if you want to see videos on how to risk manage and how to trade the proper way, go ahead and check out my binary trading videos, man. This is Forex. We are hopping into Forex now. Actually, guys, if you want to know the broker that I use for Forex, it's in a link in the description. Go check out Osprey FX, man. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This video. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up, man, because not just for me, but help push this video out to multiple people on YouTube. Help boost the YouTube algorithm and help people make this money the easy way and the fast way, the simplest way as possible, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do invest easy. I'm going to be teaching you guys Forex, crypto, and even binary trading options. And guys, I do a lot of videos on trucking, so make sure you subscribe to the family. We do post almost every day, not every day, but almost every day. And yeah, man, make sure you comment what video do you want to know next, what type of Forex strategies do you want to learn next. And guys, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Learn this easy ways to get money, and let's just go up together and make this money. We out. Woo!
You talking money